Two powers with the same base can be multiplied by rewriting each power as a product. For example, 2 to the third power times 2 to the fifth power can be rewritten by writing 2 to the third power as 2 times 2 times 2, and writing 2 to the fifth power as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. At this point, the expression can be evaluated by repeatedly multiplying by 2 to get 256. In addition, 2 multiplied 8 times can be written as 2 to the eighth power. Notice that multiplying two powers with the same base equals the base raised to the sum of the exponents. Applying this rule shows that 10 to the second power times 10 to the third power is equal to 10 to the 2 plus 3 power, or 10 to the fifth power. A power can be raised to a power by rewriting both powers as products. For example, if 3 to the second power is raised to the fifth power, both powers can be rewritten as products. At this point, the expression can be evaluated by repeatedly multiplying by 3 to get 59,049. In addition, 3 multiplied 10 times can be written as 3 to the 10th power. Notice that raising a power to a power equals the base raised to the product of the exponents. Applying this rule shows that 2 to the third power raised to the second power is equal to 2 to the 3 times 2 power, or 2 to the sixth power. Two powers with the same base can be divided by rewriting each power as a product. For example, 10 to the seventh power divided by 10 to the third power can be rewritten by representing this division in fraction notation and writing each power as a product. Next, this expression can be rewritten by factoring out 10 over 10 times 10 over 10 times 10 over 10. Since 10 divided by 10 equals 1, the expression can be evaluated by repeatedly multiplying by 10 to get 10,000. In addition, 10 multiplied 4 times can be written as 10 to the fourth power. Notice that dividing two powers with the same base equals the base raised to the difference of the exponents. Applying this rule shows that 4 to the fifth power divided by 4 to the third power is equal to 4 to the 5 minus 3 power, or 4 to the second power.